Hi students, miss you all. Our new chapter is rational algebraic expressions. Definition. A rational algebraic expression is usually of the form of px over qx. It's a fraction, where px and qx are algebraic expressions or polynomials. Another definition. A rational algebraic expression or rational expression is one that can be expressed as a quotient of polynomials. It's a fraction where numerator is an algebraic expression and denominator is also an algebraic expression. Example, 4xy2 over 7y, x2 minus 3x minus 4 over x2 minus 1, etc. Where a rational algebraic expression is defined. What is the domain of definition of rational algebraic expression? We know that number over 0 does not exist, so the denominator of a rational algebraic expression must be different than 0. That means because we have 8 over 0, 7 over 0, 18 over 0 does not exist, the denominator of a rational algebraic expression must be different than 0. A rational algebraic expression is defined for all real numbers except for those that make the denominator equal to 0. The condition here that the denominator must be different than 0. If we have a rational algebraic expression which is x minus 1 over x, we have here the denominator is x, so it must be different than 0, so we say it's defined if x different than 0. X can take all value except 0. X plus 2 over x minus 4 is another example. The denominator here is x minus 4. It must be different than 0, so x different than 4. x2 minus 4 over x2 minus 9. The denominator here is x2 minus 9. It must be different than 0, so we factorize it to get x minus 3, x plus 3 different than 0. In this condition, we have that x minus 0 different than 0 and x plus 3 different than 0. Why? Because if one of them equals 0, the product will be equal 0. So, to obtain a product different than 0, each one of them must be different than 0. So, we put and between them to get x different than 3 and x different than minus 3. How to simplify a rational algebraic expression? To simplify, we factor the denominator and the denominator. Divide out common factor. Example, x2 plus 2x, it will be x plus 2. x2 plus 3x plus 2, after factorization, it will be x plus 2, x plus 1. We eliminate x plus 2, which is a common factor in the numerator and in the denominator, to get x over x plus 1. Same in b. We factorize 2x3 plus 10x2 to get 2x2, x plus 5. And we factorize 3x power 2 plus 15x to get 3x multiplied by x plus 5. We eliminate x plus 5 and then we eliminate x to get 2x over 3. How to simplify? Also, we factorize, so x plus 2, we factorize the denominator using remarkable identities, a square minus b square, it will be a minus b, a plus b. And we eliminate the common factor, which is x plus 2, from numerator and denominator to obtain x over x minus 2. The same here, we factorize 9x2 minus 12x plus 4. According to the rule a2 minus 2ab plus b square, it will be a minus b all of x square, and the denominator in the form a square minus b square, it will be a minus b, a plus b. So we get 3x minus 2 all of x power 2, and at the denominator 3x minus 2, 3x plus 2. We eliminate the common factor, which is 3x minus 2, to get 3x minus 2 over 3x plus 2. How to add and subtract rational algebraic expression? First example, if we have same denominator, we keep it, we add only numerators. We get x plus x, 2x, 2 plus minus 1 plus 1. Another example. Same here, we have same denominator, we keep it. We subtract for x minus 1 minus all to x minus 9. We take care here that the minus for all the 2x minus 9, it will be minus 2x plus 9. For x minus 2x, similar terms together, we get 2x minus 1 plus 9, we get plus 8. Then we factorize by taking 2 as a common factor. It will be x plus 4 over x plus 4. We eliminate them to get only 2. How to multiply rational algebraic expression? Also, we factorize x2 minus 8x plus 12, it will be x minus 2, x minus 6, and for x plus 16, it will be 4 multiplied by x plus 4. x2 minus 16, according to the identity a2 minus b2, it will be a minus b, a plus b. That means x plus 4, x minus 4. And x2 minus 4, x plus 4, according to the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, we get x minus 2, all of them square. We eliminate x plus 4 by x plus 4 and x minus 2 by x minus 2 to get 4 multiplied by x minus 6 and x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 2 at the denominator. Another example, we also factorize 4x plus 8, it will be 4 multiplied by x plus 2, x minus 5 we keep it, x2 minus 25, it will be x plus 5, x minus 5, 5x plus 10, it will be 5 multiplied by x plus 2, we eliminate x plus 2 by x plus 2 and x minus 5 by x minus 5 to get 4 over 5 multiplied by x plus 5. How to solve a rational algebraic expression? To solve them, if we have denominator are numbers, we do cross multiplication. We multiply 6 by all x plus 2 and 3 by all 3x minus 2. We do distributive way. We take x to the same side and number to the other side to obtain at the end x equal 6. Another way to solving rational equations, we find the common denominator, and then we simplify and solve the equation numerator equal numerator. To do same denominator, we multiply the first side by x plus 6 numerator and denominator, and the second side by x plus 3 to get x2 plus 6 x and 8x plus 24, and we cross the denominator because they are the same, and we take all of them to the same side, then we factorize to obtain x minus x, x plus 4 equals 0, so x equals 6 or x equal minus 4. To solve a rational algebraic expression equal to 0, we factorize numerator and denominator, then we simplify, and at the end we solve the equation, the denominator is equal to 0. Like in this example, first we simplify by x minus 2 to get x plus 3 over x minus 1. If a fraction is equal to 0, then the numerator only is equal to 0, so x plus 3 is equal to 0, x equal minus 3. Here is another fraction. We first factorize x2 minus 4, we get x minus 2, x plus 2, x2 minus 4, x plus 4, it will be x minus 2, all of them square. We then eliminate x minus 2 from numerator and denominator to get x plus 2, x minus 2 equal to 0, so the numerator is only is equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal minus 2. Thank you.